Hi! Today I'll show you how to fix these broken headphones. You can also use this tutorial for any other headphones, not just wireless PlayStation ones. Typical problem, broken hinge. Now let's hope that wire is not damaged and it sounds properly, because if it is, then we will have to solder the wire. Let's begin with taking off the ear pads to not damage them with glue. Then unscrew the headphone case so that it can be removed from the headphone hinge arm. Then unscrew the central screws that hold the speaker body to the headphones. And now hinge arm is free from the speaker's body. Yay, Dabby is free! Now you have two choices. Unsolder the wire so the body does not interfere with sticky actions, or if you don't have a soldering iron, leave everything like it is now. Just because someone may have a soldering iron, I'll show you the hardest way. Write down the wire sequence, or just take a picture, to know in which way you should solder them back. When it's done, take the iron and unsolder incoming wires. Right now we can fully remove speaker body from the headband to glue it easier. Then find semi-hard metal wires or rods that we will glue to the headphones like its own ribcage. Metal part should be 3 to 4 centimeters long, measure it and then cut it off. After that you can fold that piece according to the headphone arc size to make it fit better. Then glue them with superglue like I just did. Then wait for about 2 hours and apply the second layer of glue. Do the same till there is 3 to 4 layers of glue. I covered the second side with glue and added a sheet of paper. You could say that paper is like a good armor. It absorbs the glue and when it hardens, it makes a strong layer. Don't forget to apply glue on all edges and cracks. Then after 24 hours and 3 or 4 layers of glue, wrap everything with adhesive tape for additional strength and style points. As you can see, second side was not damaged, but I still glued it beforehand to dodge the excessive surprises while playing esports multiplayer games. Well, all it's left to do is put back the headphone case and solder the wires. And here we go, fixed Sony PlayStation headset and saved a lot of money. I can say that it doesn't look so bad, some anime stickers and defect is now in effect. Good luck fixing your own headset. Also, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment your results, leave a like and subscribe for more DIY videos. Ciao!